all through the marsh.
Gods be with us.
Got some more white rock, full sevens. All right, fellas, we made it. We're out here. Pretty freaking stoked. Turned out excellent. Well, we're loading up. I guess we do have too many decoys. We're trying to figure out how many we can haul in, just the two of us. But yeah. Got full bodies and shells. Got some more white rock, full sevens. This bag's full of full sevens, goose floaters. And we're meeting another guy out here. He's bringing his own decoys. So we're trying to figure out what we can make and load up the night before. So figure it out. What's going on, folks? Out here for another duck hunt, and we're doing something a little crazy. Getting up bright and early. Our zone is out of season, so we're gonna be going down south and getting on some ducks. Our last chance for Indiana ducks. Season just ended too soon for us, so we're getting after it. Got Chief, got the whole truck packed up, as many decoys as we can humanly carry, and pulling sleds and all this kind of stuff. So it is bright and stinking early. You guys can see it right there. It is 12:25. So we're gonna get on the road. We'll bring you guys along the trip though, and we'll see you guys, and hopefully we get on some ducks. If we don't, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna cry. But we're going through some snow, so we don't know how this is gonna play out. We're a little nervous. We'll take care of it.
Yep. We're going for it. We're going for it, boys. We'll see you there. All right, fellas. It's a little bit before 3:30. We're still going strong. See a bunch of snow. It's coming down strong. So we're hoping this is gonna be good for the ducks. If you guys paid attention to the last podcast, or one of the last ones, talked about weather, and snow is, by the numbers, the best time to kill ducks. So let's get it. Chief's just so leaping hard back there. So I'm gonna make his stop here soon and then get on the road. What you thinking?
I'm thinking I need another Mountain Dew.
Well. All right, fellas, we made it. We're out here getting all the gear around. We just got piles of decoys and sleds. All the decoys you can want. So we're ready to go. Just got to get it all loaded up. All right, man. So what do you think of our spot on the draw?
They were there yesterday. Hopefully they're still there today.
Yeah, so we got the first pick on the draw. So well, not first pick, our first pick on it. Quinn was out here scouting, so we're feeling pretty confident and feeling good about it. All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear that, but we got to that ice hole. Long trek in here, packed everything in, but there is a freak ton of specks, sandhill cranes, and other waterfowl. So I know for sure there's a lot of specks, so that's awesome. Never seen a speck, never shot a speck. Let's go. Whoosh. Take them. Come, Chief, come on. Over here, buddy. You're just gonna keep breaking that stuff. Chief, come. Bird, bird. Go get him, buddy, come on. He's freaking out about the ice.
Yeah.
We can get out to him though. Chief, come here.
Bird's working.
Right here, look over the side. Oh.
Nice.
Maybe we should just get back in the blind and get it later. Come on, Chief, come. That one did it good. That one they shot over the set. That front one's doing it. See to the left, Hunter?
Kill him, kill him, kill him. Nice shot, baby. All right, back to flip you. Kill him, kill him. Nice shot, baby. All right.
Attaboy, buddy.
Come on, Chief.
Hey, here. Come. Bird. Bird. There we go.
Good boy, Chief. Bring it here, buddy.
I only got one shell, guys. Right in front of us, right in front of us.
That's the pin. That's the pin.
Dang it.
Pintails aren't going to let you work him all day. If he does that again, kill him.
Oh, what about these specks to the right? I can't see, Hunter. You got to tell us when they're in front. Load. Load. Come on.
That's a speck right out front.
Which side?
Noon, straight ahead. Coming in low. See him?
Yep. Take them.
Hit those.
Right coming in right now. You guys ready? To my side?
Kill him. You got him? No. I only had one shell in here.
Come on, Chief, go get him. What's going on, folks? Time for the mid-hunt update. We got 4 ducks down, 3 drakes, and a hen. We had some pintail work pretty close. Pretty close.
Pretty close. That's for sure.
Kind of hurts, but hopefully they're out there feeding and coming back in here soon. So we'll get on them, and we'll see you guys when that happens.
Gotta swing over though. Gotta swing over. Drop, baby. Drop.
The top one's circled away. We'll just take the solo if he comes in.
Here we go.
We'll just take the solo.
Here we go.
Take him.
That was high.
Oh boy. All right, fellas, we're getting out here to do another adjustment, clean off all the geese and ducks, decoys. I can't even think straight right now. But we just had some work in flaring a little bit, and we had a pintail come right across here, and we missed him. So my gun jammed on it. First time it's jammed all day. So really on that duck, it's kind of disappointing. So we had other ones work real close, so it's really tough. They're skirting us right on the edge. So hopefully cleaning these decoys can give us a little bit of a better chance to get them in tight. So anyways, that's what we got.
Nice shot. Come on, buddy. You're working it nice now.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. Ring net.
Chief, I think it's a ring neck.
I think you're right. I think it's a hen ring net.
Load.
They're dropping in the same way.
Right here.
Get him.
Keep going, buddy.
Come on, buddy, over here.
Just got done with the hunt. Pretty freaking stoked. Turned out excellent. We got 11 birds down. 2 hens, the rest were greenheads. And right here, got the bluebill. So can't complain about that. Freaking awesome. It was a cold one, snowy one, windy one, icy one. Was joined by Josh and Quinn out here in the A-frame line, and Chief in the Mow Marsh, and we got it done. We had a lot of birds work us that didn't finish, but a lot of birds that worked us, so it was a really fun hunt. We got it done. Hunter from HT Renovation.
We got her did.
And yes, that's how he talks all the time. So anyways, guys, make sure to hit that sub button. We got one more weekend of ducks and hopefully some geese after that. But besides that, you know, you don't want to miss out on those hunts. So hit that sub button. That's all we got for today. I'm Jordan, Ducks Gun Chronicles, and we'll see you guys next time. What we'll go for. What we'll go through for a couple ducks.
I've somehow made that. Good luck.
Is this your guys'?